Hello and welcome to this YouTube video. Today, I'm going to show you how to appeal when your YouTube channel is rejected for monetization by YouTube. Sometimes ago in March, I applied for the YouTube monetization, but my application was rejected, and the reason given for that rejection was that I have reused video on my channel. However, knowing that all the content on my channel are original to me, I appealed to that rejection and my application was successful, and I received a mail from YouTube on the 8th of March saying that my application has been received and my channel has successfully been approved for monetization, and since then my YouTube channel has been monetized. I did a video sometimes ago on this channel showing you the steps on how to appeal if your YouTube channel has been rejected like that. However, some people commented on that video that I should show them the actual video I submitted on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the actual appeal video I submitted to YouTube that was later accepted, so you can see how I did it and you can follow that pattern and also do your own appeal video. So coming up next in this video is my appeal video that I submitted to YouTube. Make sure to stay tuned after watching this video because I'm going to give you some more tips and secrets that will help you in the appeal process. Hello YouTube, so I'm going to be doing this appeal video in English language. I'm appealing for my YouTube channel with this URL. This is the URL of my YouTube channel. This is a custom URL. According to the YouTube reviewer who reviewed my channel for monetization, he said my channel cannot be accepted because my channel has reused content. Well, in this video, I'm going to be proving to you why I believe my channel does not have reused content. I'm going to be going through all the content on my YouTube channel and I'm going to be showing you how I produce my videos, how I come up with the ideas and how I edit them. This first video here was filmed by me. Also, the following videos on the Russia and Ukraine saga that is ongoing right now. So this is the software I used to create the Russia-Ukraine video, and you can see, as you can see, I got my pictures on my own, I got my figures online, I did my research and I got my figures online. And the process in which I used to edit this Russia versus Ukraine video is the process I used to edit all the other videos, the USA versus Russia video, the NATO versus Russia video, and these two videos about the Russia-Ukraine war, I did it using my own voice. The same voice I'm using in this appeal video was what I used here, and the videos I used for this content was gotten under the Creative Commons law of YouTube. This video on the two-step verification, I recorded my screen, and all this SPSS regression video, I recorded my screen and I used my voice under them. Also, this video for the website that you can make money online, I used my voice under them and I did my research. And the video about the coke, I filmed it myself. Also, this video about how to handle manipulative people, I did a research on it and I did the video myself. I didn't copy it online. The Miles Moreau video here, how to predict your success, I got the audio under the Creative Commons Act of YouTube, and I did a whiteboard 2D animation on it by myself. And this video about the Vice President of Nigeria, Yemi Osibanjo, I got the video under the Creative Commons and I put a voiceover under it. And for this also, for the most anticipated movies, I did my research online, got my pictures online, and I used a voiceover and I used a text-to-speech for my voiceover. They are not copied. The SPSS video, I did it by myself, recording my screen. And for the following videos, that is mostly how I do my videos. I record my screen, I did them myself, recorded my screen, and I used my voice. For these following videos on how to kill a catfish, I recorded them myself and I'm the person in the video. And for the following videos about the royal family, I did my editing myself. For the following videos, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I did them with the Lumen 5 software. Most of these videos were done with the Lumen 5 website. And for my Binance tutorial and my WordPress tutorial, I recorded my screen and I used my voice to do them. And the following videos on book summary, all of my book summary videos, this was how I did them. And for my Judah Peterson video, which I'm going to come to very soon, I did them using this Video Scribe software to edit them. I used the Video Scribe software that I showed earlier to edit the following videos. And for this Judah Peterson video, which I think is the video why they are telling me my video is reused, I edited this video myself using this 2D Video Scribe animator. This is what I used to edit the Jordan Peterson video. If this Jordan Peterson video was found on any other channel, that channel must be my own, because I have other YouTube channel and I have gone ahead to delete all the Jordan Peterson video on the other channel which has this video on it. If YouTube checks online again, you will see that this Jordan Peterson exact editing cannot be found on any other YouTube channel. So this is how I edited the Jordan Peterson video using this 2D animator. The YouTube channel, which may have some part of it, I have gone there and I have deleted it. And to prove that that YouTube channel is my own, I'm going to upload this review video on that channel to show you that that YouTube channel is my own, and you won't even find this Jordan Peterson video on those channels again because I have gone to delete them. So I have shown you how I edited this Jordan Peterson video using my 2D animator, and these other videos were edited using the other software I showed you. This is the other software I used to edit my video, and the other software I use apart from these two other softwares, apart from this other software, is this Plotagon Studio. So those are the three softwares I use to edit almost all of my YouTube channel, including the Lumen 5 website. That is what I use to edit my YouTube video. These videos were on my channel the last time I was approved for monetization on YouTube. So if they were approved then I think they must have followed all the YouTube guidelines. And commercial value was added to all the Creative Commons content that I got from YouTube. Thank you very much. Looking forward to your favorable response. So there you have it. That is the appeal video I submitted to YouTube, and that video was accepted and I received a successful email in less than 4 days. Make sure to follow all the steps I followed in the video. Mention the name of your channel, show them your channel link, and make sure you keep your video under 5 minutes and use a supported language like English language. And the secret is, if you really want your appeal to be accepted, you have to show YouTube all the softwares and applications you use in editing all your videos. If you can show them that, I can assure you that your appeal video is going to be accepted. Show them all the applications you use in editing your video. Show them some example of the saved projects you've had of some of your videos that are live on your channel. And please do not delete any video in this application process. If you delete any video from your YouTube channel, your application will not be accepted. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It will help other people who are having these issues to see the video. Any question you have, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.